In Qualtrics, the Submit button is automatically added at the end of a survey to allow respondents to submit their answers. However, if you want to ensure that the Submit button appears in the desired location, or if you're looking to understand how it functions, follow these steps. Log into Qualtrics. Access your account by visiting Qualtrics and logging in. Open your survey. From the dashboard, choose a survey you want to edit and open it in the survey editor. Finalize your survey flow. Ensure your survey flow is set up correctly. The survey should naturally end with a Submit button. This happens automatically once you reach the end of the survey flow. Add the Submit button manually. If you want to explicitly indicate that a question or a block is the last part of the survey, add a text or graphic question at the end with a message like, "Thank you for completing the survey. Please click Submit." This reassures respondents that the next action is submission. Customize survey termination. Go through the survey flow and ensure there is an end of survey element at the appropriate place in your survey flow. This element will naturally present the Submit button to respondents when they reach it. Save and test. Save the survey changes and use the preview feature to navigate through the survey. At the end of the survey, confirm that the Submit button appears and functions correctly.